Insta360 did it again. Yes, it sent me 3 new mounts and a professional tripod that I'm in love with, because I had so much trouble to putting, the selfie, because stuff is so big, and to put it standing up in a straight direction was so hard with my tripods. So I'm gonna show you my 3 new mounts and what can we do with it. I love it. Let me show you. So right now I'm waiting for the sun to rise. I'm here in Lagoa Rodrigo de Freitas and doing a time lapse. And I'm using my new tripod. Look how steady it is. Oh, so much easier. Life got so much easier. Let me show you what it looks like after finish. Well, let me tell you about those 3 new mounts. But first, let me show you what comes with the Go2. It comes with this one. Yeah, that's a helmet. It's a clip that you can put in a helmet or in a backpack, anywhere. It comes with this one. This one's so cool. That's the one that I love most. It's a necklace, a magnetic necklace. So easy to put in, and usually I put a little bit up here so it won't bother me, it's easy to use. And it comes with this one. This one's so nice because you take this out and you fix in a lots and lots of surface. But there's some things that those cannot do. They cannot attach to the end of a selfie. And if you're going for a very strong activity, sports or type activity, they're all magnetic. Those 3, here's magnetic, magnetic, and magnetic. So if you're going to a very strong sports activity, could be dangerous to find out. What did they do? Look how cool. So they came up with these 3 new mounts. This one, it's magnetic. I love magnetic. And you can attach, it's rounded, see? In every place that you have this here. You can put in a selfie, you can put a tripod, it's marvelous. And you have this one. This one, it's a sports mount. You put in here, you have to mount it, you have to open it, take it out, and put in, It goes like this. When it goes like this, let me close it, and you see, and you attach to any of those. You recognize this, right? You probably have tons of those. Me, I do. So you just put it here, and you have a sports. It won't fall down. So if you're going downhill, or if you're going, I don't know, roller skating, going in the water that you're afraid of lose it, that's the one you're gonna have. Oops. It's amazing. You cannot take it out. It really has to go all the way out to take it out, which is nice because it gets very secure. beautiful. What I love about Go2 is two things. First, actually more than two. Stabilization is fabulous. The horizontal level is fantastic. And the mounts are incredible. I'm saying this because I had other cameras for years. I'm a photographer, and this gives you such a freedom of, you know, different angles, easier angles. I'm amazed. I'm really amazed. Let me show you. So I can hold in my hand like this. I put in my magnetic necklace. I take it out. I put in my helmet. Okay. Then I said, no, let's film from the back. And I put it here. And I don't know if you did notice, but I didn't stop. You don't have to stop riding your bicycle to film it or to change the angle of the view, you know? And that's so cool. Let's stop here. Look how beautiful this place is. Okay, so this was a quick video about those marvelous mountains. And now, if you want to see it, I'm gonna open the box for you to see everything that's in it and how you work your tripod. Well, as you know, I'm a photographer. If you don't know, if you're not a friend of the channel yet, please do sign in and click on the little bell. Why? Because every Saturday I post the longer videos, the videos that I produce, you know, and think about it. And I do have a section called Quick Tip. The quick tips come whenever they come because something happened, then I post it, okay? And now we have this new section of gear equipment. Oh, basically, it's photography gear equipment. I'm a photographer. I love to take photos and I love to ride my bicycle and to register and share with you those marvelous places. That's why we're gonna have a section about gear. Every time that we have a new gear, like this beautiful, beautiful little camera and magnificent camera for its size, the Go2